Today we are looking at the CENMATE 4-bay external enclosure. If you are looking to expand your storage in a big way, this is a serious contender. It features a sturdy aluminum alloy body that feels premium and helps significantly with heat dissipation. The key highlight here is the capacity. With 4 bays, you can house up to 80 terabytes of total storage. Around the back, there is a built-in cooling fan to keep the drives from throttling, a dedicated power switch, and the DC input. The design is completely tool-free. The trays pop up with a single pull, and the mounting is incredibly versatile. It natively supports 3.5-inch HDD, but it also perfectly compatible with 2.5-inch SATA hard drives and SSDs. No screws are needed for the larger drives, you just snap them into the tray and slide them back in. This makes it incredibly easy to swap drives if you are managing multiple projects or rotating backups. For my setup, I have these connected directly to the back of the new Mac Mini. It comes with a high quality power transformer and a USB-A to USB-C cable for immediate connectivity. It's a true plug-and-play experience. While I didn't test these on Windows due to my PC ports limitation, it works across all major operating systems. On macOS, it was recognized instantly, making it an ideal companion for the M4 Mac Mini for things like Time Machine, a Plex server, or high-capacity backup station. Let's look at the real-world performance. I tested 2 different drive types. First, a 3.5-inch HDD formatted in exFAT. AJA system test gave me 119 megabytes write and 183 megabytes read, moving a 15.5 GB backup image took about a minute. Then I tried the Maxtor SATA SSD formatted in APFS. Speeds climbed to 151 megabytes write and 169 megabytes read. A 960 megabyte video file moved in about 5 seconds. One thing to note on macOS, when dragging files to multiple disks at once, the OS queues them sequentially. It will finish copying to the first disk before automatically starting on the second. Since these will sit right behind my Mac Mini, I checked the noise levels. It averages around 66 decibels. That's roughly the level of a normal conversation. Between the cooling fan and the mechanical drive spinning, you'll hear it, but it's a steady, consistent hum that keeps your hardware cool. The CENMATE 4-bay enclosure is a solid, functional workhorse. It offers massive expansion potential, a tool-free design that actually works, and stable performance on the latest Apple Silicon. If you need a reliable way to manage a lot of data on your desk, this is a great choice. Any suggestions, any questions about the setup? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.